Want to delete your TikTok account on your Android phone? I've got you covered. Just keep in mind that deleting your account is permanent, so if you have any videos you'd like to keep, make sure you save them first. So once you're done with that, let's dive into the steps. So open your TikTok app, then tap on your profile in the bottom right corner. Now tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. After that, tap on Account, tap on Deactivate or Delete Account. Now you will get two options: Deactivate Account and Delete Account permanently. Deactivating the account means you will hide everything inside your account and no one will be able to find you unless you reactivate your account. This is not deleting. If you want to truly delete your account, tap on Delete Account permanently. This will completely erase your account, but you can still reactivate it within 30 days. After that time has passed, your account will be gone for good. Now provide a reason why you are leaving TikTok. After this, you will get an option of downloading your TikTok data. But you will need to tap on Request Download to start this process. For this video, I'll just skip it and hit the checkbox at the bottom. This will make the Continue button usable. So now tap on Continue. TikTok will now give you a list showing everything that will happen when you delete the account. Make sure to read all of it. After you're done, hit Continue. Now if you have set up a password, you will be prompted to write it down. Then TikTok will send you a verification code via SMS or call. Simply enter the code and tap Delete Account and confirm your action. Once that's done, your account will be deleted. But remember, if you try to reactivate it within 30 days, you can still recover it. After that, you'll be gone for good. So folks, I hope this video was helpful to you. If you're looking for more TikTok tips and tricks, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.